Welcome to Know Your Podcast. This is a Chirantana Art Courtyard Productions, Help the Blind Foundation, and My Legend podcast initiative. Know Your Podcast is a contest initiative tailored to introduce the joys of podcasting to a set of visually challenged students.
Hello everyone! If you would have a problem, then I would have a solution. Good evening, Adab and Sat Shri Akal. I am Mohini Sharma here and you are listening with me. Love to find solution. There are moments when you feel completely lost about yourself. You're not able to find the solution for your problem, not able to focus on your willpower. Don't you think why does it happen? It's happened sometime you feel motivated, sometimes you feel completely blank about yourself. So much confused what to do, what not to do when you feel down or low. So, before I start my show, I would like to say a quote. When you see yourself prosperous, you will be. If you see yourself continuously hard up, that is exactly what you will be. Yes guys, let me explain you. हम जैसा अपने प्रति नज़रिया रखते हैं, हम वैसा ही अपने आप को एक दिन पाते हैं. हम जैसा अपने आप को इमेजिन करेंगे, जैसा स्टार्टिंग से अपने आप को देखेंगे, हम वैसे ही इन फ्यूचर अपने आप को बना पाएंगे. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू विद अ ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल. एवरीवन नोन अबाउट द चार्ली चैपलिन, डोंट यू? यस गाइज, इनको हम एक हंसी का पात्र भी मानते हैं. चार्ली चैपलिन टोल्ड अ वंडरफुल जोक टू द ऑडियंस. People start laughing. Again he repeats the same joke. Only the few people laugh. He repeats the same joke again, but no one laughs. Are you able to connect with me? I hope. Let me tell you, when you can't laugh on same joke again and again, then why do you cry on same worries again and again? Guys, there are solution for your problems. Find the solution for your problem. There are different ways to come out of the damn particular situation. You can find a solution. I can tell you a way, like you can write a story, you can write a poem, you can sing a song, or you can do any one of your creativity, whatever you like to do. But you must do and you must express yourself, whether with your close ones or in your own creative way. But this is my advice, please do express yourself. So guys, I have written a small poem for you. I hope you like it. When there's a will, there's a way. Why are you worried when happy and prosperous is the way? Happiness is something which expressed ourselves. When our feelings get expressed themselves, it is a type of abstract noun by which we make a nation happy. It's a moment where we share our feeling, a moment where we relax, care and relief. So exactly guys, enjoy every moment of your life. Try to deal with the situation instead of escaping out of it. Escaping out of the problem is not the solution. You have to deal with the solution. You might stuck into the bigger problem. अगर आप करंट सिचुएशन के साथ ही हैंडल नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो आगे आने वाली बड़ी से बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे झेल पाएंगे? टेल मी. हमारे समाज की एक और बहुत बड़ी समस्या है, लव. दैट इज लव. एवरीवन नीड्स लव, डोंट यू? What do you understand by the love? Everyone have their own different definition of love. Let me tell you my definition of love. You know what? 1, 2, 3, your love is free. 1 for friend, 2 for parents, 3 for God. 4, 5, 6, your love is fixed. 7, 8, 9, your love is absolutely fine. When no one loves you, you don't mind. 10, 11, 12, your life is well. Yes guys, that is exactly what I'm trying to say. When no one loves you, you shouldn't mind. Because twinkle twinkle little star, singles are the superstar. Yes, guys, if you need to make yourself happy, you need to be happy about yourself. You just need to know yourself, believe yourself, trust yourself, and also love yourself. Yes, guys. So that's all for today. Stay tuned with Mohini Sharma for the next time and enjoy every moment of your life. Bye bye.
Thank you for listening to Know Your Podcast. This initiative has been conceptualized and produced by Chirantana, Art Courtyard Productions, My Legend Podcast with the support of Help the Blind Foundation.